Alright, so this next video is going to be about having an eBay store. This is all information that you can get from the eBay website, which I'll link below. But if you would like me to explain it, I'd be happy to. So there's 5 different levels of eBay stores that you can have, and they all require a subscription. So the first one is called Starter, and it's about $5 a month. It's $4.95 a month. And this is as of June of 2019, so prices might change. Definitely check on it. And basically you get 100 free listings a month for the fixed price. You don't get any free auction listings. And then you get a few discounts on things. Like I said, you can check it out on the website. But the main things are that you get 100 free listings a month. Then for Basic, which is the one that I actually have right now, you pay $22 a month-ish. And you get 250 free listings a month for fixed price. And then you also get 250 free auction listings a month. So pretty good. And then there's a few other discounts. With all of the packages except for the Starter, you can actually get discounts on eBay shipping supplies. So you can buy like eBay branded poly mailers, which is pretty cool. I still like my fancy U-Pack and chips, but you know, it's a nice benefit. Next one is Premium, which is the one that Connor has. It's $60 a month. You get 1,000 free fixed price listings and 500 free auction listings. So that's a lot of listings. And then you get more free eBay branded stuff. And then there's the crazy high ones that are for people that make like a lot of money on eBay. So there's Anchor, which is $300 a month. You get 10,000 free buy it nows, 1,000 free auction listings. And then there's Enterprise, which is $3,000 a month. You get 100,000 free listings and 2,500 free auctions. So I don't think anyone's going to be doing those, at least for a long time. I can't imagine spending the time to list 100,000 things on eBay. But yes, so I would recommend definitely start with the Starter because that's how you can access promoted listings. When I first got started, anyone could do promoted listings, but now you have to have a store to do it. Plus, it looks a little bit nicer when people click on your name and they see your store instead of just a bunch of listings. Once you really get going and you think you can do 250 listings a month, definitely go up to Basic. It's worth it for sure. But just do it once it makes monetary sense. And same thing with going up to Premium. Just do it when it makes sense. If you think you can do 1,000 listings in a month. If you're only going to do 300, maybe just stick with Basic and let 50 of them wait until the next month. So that is actually all the basics about getting started on eBay. Yay, you did it! You finished! As of now, you've pretty much got all of the basic tools that you need to get started selling on eBay. So feel free to ask any questions on any of the videos in the comments. I'd be happy to answer any questions. If there was anything else you'd like me to post about, I would love to do more videos like this. You know, I don't know how many people this is going to reach, but I would like to think that it'll help at least one person make a little extra income, because that's really my goal. It's been great for me, and I just want to share that with other people.